Introduction. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications. HTML5 is the latest evolution of the standard that defines HTML. One feature of HTML5 is the HTML Minifier, a program that removes unnecessary characters from source code without changing its functionality. Minifying HTML can reduce file size, resulting in faster load times and better user experience. Understanding HTML minification. Minification is the process of removing unnecessary characters from source code, including white spaces, comments, new line characters, and block delimiters. Minification doesn't change the functionality of the code, but it can make the code harder to read. Minifying HTML can reduce file size, resulting in faster page load times and improved performance. HTML minifiers work by analyzing and understanding the code, then rewriting it to use fewer characters. How to use an HTML minifier? HTML minifiers are simple to use with various online tools available. To minify HTML, paste the code into the tool, press the Minify button, and then copy and paste the minified output back into the HTML file. HTML minifiers can be incorporated into a build process for web applications, with many automated tools available. Common errors and how to avoid them. Ensure to thoroughly test your website after minification to make sure everything works as expected. Avoid minifying code that is already minified, as it can result in errors and unexpected behavior. If using a build process to automatically minify HTML, ensure that it is correctly configured and only minifies necessary files. Tips and tricks. Always keep a backup of original HTML files before minification. Use a version control system such as Git to track changes to your code. If manually minifying HTML, consider using an online tool that previews the minified code before copying it into the HTML file. Conclusion. HTML minification is a powerful technique for improving web page load times and enhancing user experience. Understanding how to properly use an HTML minifier can help take full advantage of this technique and avoid common pitfalls.